Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Android Studio or the command line SDK is already installed. This saves time. Once done, open File Explorer and navigate to see /users /your user /app data /local /Android /SDK or the custom folder you chose during install. Make sure you can see hidden items because app data is hidden by default. Then copy the full SDK path to your clipboard. You do this now, so the next steps paste cleanly into Windows environment dialogues without retyping. You then open System Properties, click Advanced, and choose Environment Variables. Next, click New under User Variables and add Android SDK root or Android Home with the SDK path you copied. This identifies the SDK location for tools. After that, edit the path variable and append two entries. %Android SDK root %\platform tools and %Android SDK root %tools \bin. Make sure entries are separated by semicolons and do not include trailing slashes. This exposes a DB and SDK manager to any terminal. You finish by opening a new command prompt or PowerShell window and running a DB version and SDK manager list to verify the path works. If both return versions and lists, the setup is complete. Make sure to restart Android Studio so it picks up the environment change. If commands fail, check that the SDK path is exact, that app data visibility didn't hide the real folder, and that you used %Android SDK root % consistently. Key troubleshooting tip. If path entries contain spaces, enclose the full path in quotes or use short path names and run the terminal as administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.